My name is Jan Svoboda. I'm a Devotee 1 class sailor. Thank you, James. I really enjoyed today. The wind was a little bit low, light and shifty, but we have good weather conditions such as sun and the temperature. So I really enjoyed it. Cheers.
Yeah, my name is Matthias Böckl. I'm from Austria, from Lake Wolfgangsee, nearby Salzburg, and we are here to sail the European Championships of the D1 class. Today we had two really good, correct races. Yesterday we had 3 races with strong winds, and now we are waiting for another race for the wind. I like it a lot here. We enjoy, and we definitely would come back.
My name is Jiří Forejtek, and I think today it was much more better weather than yesterday. Good wind for me also, and I enjoy it very much today. I think it's my first time a European Championship, and I think organization is without problem. It's very good over here.
So hey, I'm Tomai Balázs from Hungary. I'm here for D1 Europeans. This is my 3rd time here in Lipno with Devotee 1. First one was, I think, in 2011 for Czech National, and then next year the Europeans was here. I was fighting with Viktor Tepli, local guy there. That time he won the Europeans. I like this place. It's really tricky, but everybody is friendly here, and the organization is really good, I think. And that's it.
I will go today.
Today it was different than yesterday. It was much lighter wind, but it was oscillating, the direction and the strength also of the wind. First one I made many mistakes. The first one I was over the line, so I needed to go back at the start, and then I was around the 6th place at the top mark. But I took the stretching mark with the Genaker sheet, so I needed to stop. Somehow managed to lose it, and then I made 360, so I was back of the fleet, and at the end I finished around 12 or 13. I was really not happy with this result, but it's a discard for me. Second race was much better. I was leading at the first mark, then I was 3rd. It was a big fight with 2 other guys, and then top mark I was 2nd again, downwind 3rd again. 3rd top mark I was again 2nd, and then somehow I finished 1st. So, but it was a big fight. I just passed them before the finishing line, and it was good.
Thank you.
Hello, I'm Géza Matyasovski from Hungary, from D1 Yacht Club, and so this is the first time I'm participating in European Championship of D1, and so I very enjoy to be here. Today it was a nice weather and absolutely different like yesterday was, and my results are not so good, but I hope I can improve it by tomorrow. On the 2nd race I broke my rudder pole, so I had to came to the coast, and I after Karel Shamshula could repair. So he has a great service, and he could repair my rudder. I went back to the water, but there was no race, unfortunately, because the wind went down. So it's really good organization and good company, and I enjoy to be here.
You come back?
Yeah, hopefully. Yeah.
I'm Gyula Gémesi from Hungary also. This is the 2nd time in the Europeans for me in D1. Really enjoy the event. It is pleasure to be here. I am mainly in the middle of the fleet. There are also great matches with the guys, and at the shore it's a great opportunity to talk about them, and because everybody is friendly and nobody is here for just fighting. It is just a great event for not these young athletes, but also for elder people. The class is great for the youngs and for us also, because everybody can find the fit opponents on the water.
Well, Ben Fallett, I am one of the old guys in the fleet, yeah? At 63 I must be one of the oldest, yes? Would you agree with that?
Yes.
Oh, good, thanks. My friends here, 2 friends. We're all 3 from the club in England, Galston Sailing Club, where we have 7 D1s. And 7 D1s is a good number for any club, we think.
Yeah.
So, because I am the retired old gentleman and I have the time, so I have the time to drive the car here with 3 boats. And these guys, they come later. They fly into Prague.
Fly drive.
And here we are, rehydrating on the old Kofola. We love it.
Yeah.
Cheers and congratulations, Czech Republic, on Kofola.
Kofola. So yeah, is that okay? Good enough?
What about today?
And what about today? Yeah, so it's Chris Salis, and I'm a club mate of Ben's, and we found today tricky, but very well run. So good decisions by the race team, and the first race.
Congratulations to the race officer. He was very brave, canning that race.
First race was lovely. Really, I think showed us what we could enjoy on the lake. And the races after were a little bit more tricky, but the decisions were right. So yeah, enjoyed it.
Well done.
Yeah, I'm Martin Brown. I have to say the actual whole event has been fantastically run. The race office today was brilliant, and the sailing, the atmosphere, the club, everything, the CAF, there are loads of you great guys here just looking after us, and to be honest with you, I just got no complaints. I'd happily come here again. Thanks very much all of you for doing a great job.
We're
Cheers.
all talking about coming here again. Yes.
Yeah, we love it.
We love it, yeah.
Hi, I'm Al from Western Sailing Club near Southampton. Come out to Lake Lithnow for the European Championships, and it is fabulous. Extraordinarily well run. The race officer is doing a fantastic job, and I had a better day today, so I'm in a very good mood.